Hey, what's up everybody? Today I just want to do a quick video on how to install these Titan anchors. These are 3/8 Titan anchors made by Simpson. Right here I'm just making sure my drill bit is long enough because you want to drill past the length of the anchor so it doesn't compact and end up breaking the concrete out. So now I'm drilling. With these drills you just want to let the drill do the work. You don't really want to be forcing it because you could crack the concrete pretty easily. And then I also go in and out to kind of pull out the debris as I'm going in. And then I like to bring a vacuum with me to suck out all the debris out of the hole so it doesn't compact in there, and also make my hole more shallow. So then I use an impact to drive it in. You can use a wrench or a socket, but it just takes a while. So now that I have all my holes marked out, I'm going to go ahead and finish drilling all the holes. I actually started them already. I just didn't really want to be drilling them with my handrail in place because it's already been powder coated. Like I said, just going in and out, pulling the debris out as I go. I also did want to mention, if you're using 3/8 anchors, you'll be using a 3/8 masonry drill. The drills correspond with the same size of bolt that you're using. Vacuum it up nice and clean, make sure the holes are completely cleaned out, nothing in them. I'm going to go ahead and put these in by hand for the first thread just to make sure they fit through my plates. I'm going to drive them in. I recommend using the correct size socket, not one that's a little bit too small. This was a 14mm, it should have been a 9/16, so it made it really difficult to get the socket off the actual anchor itself. Just didn't bring the right socket with me for some reason. So yeah, that's it. Pretty simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe if that helps you in any way. Peace out.